Hello, in front of me I have got Google Pixel 10. In this video I'll show you how to fix Ghost Touch problem. In the beginning, remove screen protector or case from your smartphone. This can interfere with touch screen sensor. Clean screen to remove debris or moisture. Next, if available on your smartphone, adjust screen touch sensitivity. Preferably disable increased sensitivity and enable adaptive touch. If this didn't work, try updating the software update. If the Ghost Touch problem is still on your smartphone, it may indicate the hardware failure. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.